Sara? Excuse me.
Oh, God, what is he doing? Is he coming over here?
I saw this on your desk. I figured you must have dropped it.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Somebody has a crush.
Is that a friend of yours?
Huh? No, I left something in class.
What was it?
Nothing.
Man?
Oh, no, don't, man. Toto touched it with his crab claws.
Jerome, you're terrible.
Can I? Wait, jewel on these?
Just when I'm bored. Stupid stuff.
You shouldn't say that. This is me. I like it. Shouldn't be so shy about your talent. These are really good. For a Jew.
Here he is, officer. The Jew who tricked us out of our money.
Jew? What Jew? I'm no Jew.
Give them back their money, Jew. This will teach you not to steal. People, filthy Jew.
France must be purged of every Jew, every communist, every Gaullist,